Warning, this video contains content that might be upsetting for some people. You can look at the timestamps down below in the description and you can skip forward. Anyway, you've been forewarned. If you happen to be one of those people that watch me blow things out with a blow dryer and yell at your screen, you're gonna do that again today. I pretty much guarantee it. So anyway, if that's not upsetting for you and you don't mind kind of plowing through it all with me, then this video is for you. You're in the right place. As always, my name is Tiffany Remijn. Welcome to my channel and I'll see you down on the canvas.
I shouldn't want you, I shouldn't need you, but I'm afraid that's not up to me. Cause when I hear you sing through my speakers, it's like my mind takes a hold of me. I've tried shutting you off for some time now, but I'm still hearing your voice in my head. Oh, I wish I was more than your fan now, and that your voice came from here in my bed. You're in my headphones, baby, in my headphones, baby, in my headphones, singing to me. You're in my headphones, baby, in my headphones, baby, in my headphones, making me bleed. You're in my
Okay, yeah, that blob of yellow, that's gonna cause me a problem. But we're gonna tilt it, and then I'm probably gonna pour like a bunch of other puddles on top of this thing, because I'm not gonna be able to get rid of that.
I'll never have you, but I'll always want you, and it's so sad, it just makes me cry. Feels like I know you better than others, but you don't care, you never reply. I've tried shutting you off for some time now, but I'm still hearing your voice in my head. Oh, I wish I was more than your fan now, and that your voice came from here in my bed. You're in my headphones, baby, in my headphones, baby, in my headphones, singing to me. You're in my headphones, baby, in my headphones, baby, in my headphones, making me bleed. You're in my in my head. Oh, I wish I was more than your fan now, and that your voice came from here in my bed. You're in my headphones, baby, in my headphones, baby, in my headphones, singing to me. You're in my headphones, baby, in my headphones, baby, in my headphones, making me bleed.
As you can see, I'm struggling with this whole thing. I've got an idea in my head, as always, and it's not executing well on the canvas. So I've sped this whole process up because I've only got 15 minutes for this video. And if I don't, we're never going to get through it because, yeah, well, I don't want to do a spoiler alert. So just, as always, bear with me. And I don't know, you can judge me at the end and tell me I've lost my mind or your final opinion on where this goes, because this is actually about 4 hours worth of video footage to get this thing into something that was reasonable, that resembles the thumbnail as to why you clicked on this video in the first place. it's dry. And I'm like, you know, not a huge fan. I like the color. Compositionally, it just doesn't do anything for me. Yeah. And sadly, that's what I'm eating. Because it dried like so nicely. You know, there's not a flaw on it. It dried beautifully. And I love the colors, like the yellows and against the black, the drama. But I'm like, compositionally, it's not working for me. Like at all whatsoever. It just looks like bleh, like somebody like threw up on the canvas. I don't have a whole lot of success when I pour over an already poured canvas. It's usually a disaster for me. Yeah, it never works out. It dries icky. It doesn't matter. I digress. It's immaterial at this point. It just doesn't dry well. Let's just leave it at that. So I'm like, well, you know, maybe this isn't interesting to any of you, but it's interesting to me. And I thought I'd share with you my thought process as to how the hell I'm going to save this thing, if it's even possible. Okay, what do I do? How do I save it? Well, because I'm going to lose something that I probably love. Like I love this cascade effect, but it's out of proportion with the rest of it. So do I come in like with this line where the black's starting to come in and take out some of this and contour it in and add some negative space? Maybe. Do I, and I like this portion here, but together with this, it's just too much. I love the explosion of color. So I'm like, okay, well, what if I flip it around? Then what happens? Do I like that any better anywhere else? I love this. Yeah, love that. Yeah, I love this now. So where I loved this before, I don't care for it now. So again, do I come in and go, but then look, now I see like different lines. Like could I come in, black all of that out, come in and kind of trace this? Does that work as a pretty floral abstract-y thing? Yeah, I don't know. Okay, let's flip it again. I already looked at it that way. So let's flip it this way. And what do we think? Like maybe I just eat fruit and stare at it all day. I'm not sure. I don't know. I hope you'll join me. Hope you'll stay tuned. Let's see if we can fix it. I think it's fixable, right? It's quite pretty. I just don't love all of it. Yeah. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I still haven't figured it out. I'm just going to get some black paint and kind of, I don't know, contour this thing, whatever you wanna call it, out and see if I can salvage it. I'll show you my process. All right, well, see you back down on the canvas for part 2, if I can save my pretty yellow abstracty thingy. Hey, and if so far you're enjoying this, please like, subscribe, turn on your notifications. Yeah, and as I've gone through this, as always, go down into the comments, leave me some thoughts about what I should have done. Maybe what I should do is next time shoot a video of this conversation, let you guys comment, and you guys kind of tell me what to do, and then I'll do it based on your recommendations, because I'm kind of just standing here by myself in my kitchen going, a second opinion would kind of be helpful. Okay, so let's see what I do. you enjoyed that. I really don't have any words for what that took to get done. And if you happen to be here on Friday and you've joined us for the premiere, then please follow us over to Lance's channel, Pouring Together with Lance. I'll put that in the end screen. And let's see what he got up to. Hopefully he didn't struggle as much as I did this week. And then after him will be Cindy. And then of course, running it out, it's Art by Donna M. She said that she's dropping the M, but until she does, it's Art by Donna M. Donna M. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one.